Hey, welcome back to the channel. So first, do me a favor and subscribe. Thank you. Let's get to 1000 subscribers. This is another quick video. I promise I'm not going to do a video for every little thing I'm going to unbox. I think I have about 80 to 90 hats, maybe 100. It's a nice way to add something to your outfit. 10,000 subscribers, I'll do a head reveal. But anyway, let's get into it. Let's keep it very short. I have my real carbon fiber unboxing pocket knife right here. I love this. And a very small box. So let's get right into it. This is a Champion snapback. This colorway should have been orange, but it's not really. I really like it though. It kind of matches some of my recent clothing pieces. Okay. I have another one of these in red, and I really like it because it's really nicely made. But let's see how this fits on the head. Very nice, as expected. I really like it a lot. And the second hat, it's a Von Dutch. I've mentioned this in my previous videos. Von Dutch is a bit of a dead brand, but I don't really care. Now I'm into classic vintage brands like the Eco Unlimited, the Von Dutch. I really like this hat with the upside down logo. I'm going to peel off this hologram. I'm not really a douchebag to wear it like that. I hope this peels off with no trace. Okay. Okay, this is a bit crushed, which I fucking hate. I really hate online shops that don't know how to send a hat. So let's see how this fits. Really nice. I'm not quite sure about the price I paid for this, but I'm going to put it on the screen. Anyway, that is kind of the end of the video. Subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Hey, welcome back to the channel.